Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the 2020-2021 year. I am Mr. Culver, and I will be your math teacher. If at any time you need to contact me, please email me. It'll be the easiest way at kyle.culver@osceolaschools.net. Or you can always call the school at 407-344-7000, and my extension would be 19663. As for supplies, you will need just a notebook, pencils, and a loose pack of paper. When we are doing work, there will be two major grading tabs. There will be assignments such as classwork, homework, any of that, and then the tests, quizzes, anything along those lines. I do not ask for much, but my expectations are valid and they will be enforced. I expect you guys to come to class every day prepared. I want you guys to come to class whether it is digitally or in person, prepared, focused, and ready to learn. I'm ready for the school year, and I hope you guys are too. And I'm looking forward to see what kind of year we have. I'll see you guys soon.